Did you know you could be making thousands of pounds per month as a LiveGood affiliate? In this video I am going to explain how this is possible and the simple steps it takes for you to achieve this goal. If you haven't heard of LiveGood, I am also going to cover who they are, what they offer and most importantly, how you can profit from this ever-expanding company. Okay, so who are LiveGood? LiveGood is a newcomer to the health and wellness MLM industry, and focuses on offering high-quality, affordable nutritional supplements, skincare and wellness products. There is a retail side, but you are under no obligation to purchase anything. The money to be made is in becoming a member, or an affiliate, and then referring friends and family to also become affiliates. The rewards to be made are very good. There is an initial outlay of just under $50, and a monthly fee of $10, but it is a small price to pay for the potential rewards on offer. Also, if you can manage to recruit 2 members you will earn $25 per referral, effectively matching your initial outlay. Interested so far? If so, click on the link in the description to take you to the site which will give you access to more information and allow you to sign up. Please make sure you follow the link provided, using my referral. Thank you. I'm going to briefly touch on some of the potential earnings which can be staggering if, like any other venture, can vary depending on how much effort an individual puts in. So, as I mentioned previously, you earn $25 per person who signs up as a member or affiliate, paid weekly. You're placed in a 2x15 forced matrix, earning residual monthly income from your team's $9.95 membership fees. For example, you get paid monthly for every person you recruit plus every person they then go on to recruit, down to 10 levels below. Depending on your rank, this could be up to $2,047 monthly for a bronze or unranked member or up to $16,383 monthly for a diamond member. Your rank is based on how many people you can recruit. There are various other ways to earn, which I will showcase in forthcoming videos, and these are primarily for high-ranked recruiters. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a realistic and pretty simple way to bag yourself an extra monthly income. Typical earnings would be: beginner $100 to $500 per month, intermediate $2,000 to $5,000 per month, right up to advanced $10,000 plus per month. Ultimately, earnings depend greatly on your recruitment, retention, and sales abilities. If you have friends and family who are also interested in making money, recruit them, earn from them, and they then earn from others. We can all make money. Click on the LiveGood link in the description to get started and comment below if you still need any more information. Watch. Subscribe. Earn. See you next time.